Most people here get paid for shopping and surveys and think it's an easy win. But here's the truth no one tells you. These platforms can be real, but they also quietly trade your time for very small rewards if you don't understand how they work. Quick promise. In this video, you'll get a full MyPoints review for 2026, including how it works, whether it's legit, how much you can actually earn, and the hidden pros and cons nobody talks about. By the end, you'll know if it's worth your time or just another distraction app. Let's start with what MyPoints actually is. MyPoints is a rewards platform where you earn points by doing simple online activities like taking surveys, shopping through partner links, watching videos, and reading promotional emails. Those points can later be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. Now here's where it gets interesting. Yes, MyPoints is legit. It has been around for years and does pay real users. But legitimacy is not the same as value. The real question is whether the earnings justify the time you spend. Jake, a user from California, tested MyPoints for a few days doing surveys and cashback shopping. He noticed something quickly. Some tasks were easy, but the payouts were very small unless he used shopping deals or high-value surveys. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on surveys, which are often low-paying and sometimes disqualify you after several minutes. That's where frustration usually starts. You invest time, but don't always get rewarded. Now let's talk about where MyPoints actually performs better. The strongest earning method is cashback shopping. If you already shop online at places like Amazon or Walmart, you can earn points just by going through MyPoints first. Alex, a casual user from Texas, uses it only for cashback and sees better results than survey-only users. Another option is video watching and email reading. But these usually pay very little. They are more like background tasks than real income methods. So how much can you actually earn? For most casual users, MyPoints generates small side earnings. Think a few dollars a day if you are consistent. It is not designed to replace a job or provide meaningful income. Now here's a key insight most people miss. MyPoints works best when it is passive. If you only use it while shopping or during downtime, it feels useful. If you treat it like a job, it quickly feels slow and unrewarding. So is MyPoints worth it in 2026? Yes, but only for light use. It is legit, safe, and flexible. But the earnings are small, unless you take advantage of cashback offers. Here's the final takeaway. MyPoints is not a waste of time if you use it strategically. But if you expect fast or serious income, you will be disappointed. If this helped you understand MyPoints clearly, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest reviews of online earning apps.